You guys looking for high quality carbon fiber aerodynamics for your STI sedan? This is a Password JDM carbon rear gurney flap. What's up guys, Rick with RallySport Direct here, and in front of me I have the Password JDM rear gurney flap specific for the 2011 through 2014 STI sedan. Now this gurney flap is 100% carbon fiber through and through. Of course it's got a beautiful weave all the way through, even up into these like little tight bends. They've managed to keep the weave looking nice and tight and proper. You've got a Password JDM badge on the front and rear, which is very cool. And it installs using self-adhesive tape, so the installation should be very quick, flawless, and painless. But it really is a beautiful piece, but not only that, it's also functional. So basically a gurney flap acts as a way to spoil the airflow over the rear of the vehicle. It helps reduce that pocket of negative pressure air following behind the car. And so you get a little bit less drag and a little bit more downforce. So again, not only is it really, truly sexy on the back of your STI, but it can also be incredibly functional to help improve gas mileage a little bit and downforce on the rear of the vehicle. It's not going to be a night and day difference, but every little bit helps. And so this is a very cool concept from Password JDM, very high quality, beautiful, and just a very cool product all around. Check it out. That's all the time we've got for you today. Thanks for checking out what's in the box. See you guys next time.
I'm going to my stash.